February this morning? Come on up to the front. Have a seat. Oh, I'm so glad that you are here. Happy Easter. How many people, have you had any chocolate yet today? Yeah. Isn't that great? And I haven't had any chocolate today. No, you have not had any chocolate today? Well, maybe you'll have some before the day is over. Look what I brought with me. I brought with me something that belongs to my wife, Sarah. She's had this since she was your age.
I thought that was
I had something in here before. Do you remember that?
Why does that look like nuts?
Have you ever seen a piggy bank that looks like a beehive? This one is classic. Anyone have one of these at home? Classic. You probably have, do you have a different piggy bank?
I have a lot of them.
You have a lot of piggy banks.
I have 2 kitty banks and 1 sharky bank. I have a burger bank.
A burger bank.
I have 2 cat banks or kitty banks and then 1 shark bank.
Shark bank.
And then I have
That
2
is-
kitty banks.
No, Shark Bank wins.
I know, but I have 2 kitty banks.
Shark Bank. I'm still on Shark Bank.
I have an elephant bank.
Elephant Bank, Beehive Bank. Now, my wife Sarah hasn't used this in a long time, and I'd shake it, but the bees would fall out. Their wings have fallen off in a long time. But I thought maybe what we could do is add some pennies or money. Do you know what a penny is? They don't do pennies anymore, do they?
They do in the States.
Do they? Yeah,
I'm half States.
it's like Fahrenheit. It's a penny. I got a great idea. You know what my idea is? Let's get money from people and we'll put it in here. I think who? Oh, Ida got her head down. Ida, do you have your purse with you? Perfect. Do you want to go up and go to Ida, all of you, and ask her for paper money. Ask her for paper money. Go on up and get some money from Ida. Everyone, go get some money from Ida. You got some money, Ida? Oh, she's the one who's handing out money. That doesn't look paper to me. Maddox, how much did she give you? A penny? Oh, okay, go ahead and put that in the penny slot there. Go back and get some more money from her. Ask her for paper. Go ahead, Maddox, get some more money from her. Do you want to put another one in? No? Is she still just giving out pennies? Oh, Ida. Oh, where'd you get that?
She said she didn't have paper money.
Here, we'll just put that in here then, so that
She's a liar.
there. It's full now, isn't it? So you are going to be hearing. Oh, you got more. You're going to be hearing a story downstairs about the empty tomb. There was a tomb, and it became empty, but something good came from that tomb. And I thought what we could do is, now that this tomb, which was this piggy bank, which was empty, seems to be full now, should we open it up?
Yeah.
Let's open it up. Maddox, you want to take the bottom off of there? Oh, look at that. What's that? Pull. 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 Oh, don't rip or I'm in trouble at home. What's in it?
Chocolate egg.
There's eggs in here. The story you're going to hear is about an empty tomb that changed into something that was new life, just like an egg. You know what would be a great idea? Let's give chocolates out to all the adults. Now, there may be some adults who could be allergic, so if they don't hold their hand out, don't force it on them. But come on up and get some chocolates, and let's hand them out. Somebody bring this up to Ida. Yes, go grab a handful and go make the adults happy.
I've got a gold one.
But don't give the money to them. Don't worry, Mr. Walker. I got extras. You're going to get some. All right. Make sure everybody who wants one gets one. You are like the Easter bunny. And when you give it to them, let them know that they are special. Anyone else need some addicts? Did Grandma get one? Make sure Grandma got one. Make it easy for the kids. Put your hand up if you did not get one. Alice needs a candy. Someone run over there to where Alice is. Here goes Jacob. Yay. Okay. You know what? You can each take one for yourself too. Before you head downstairs to hear more about the empty tomb, where are the children's worship leaders? Come on up to the front so they can follow you downstairs. Come on, children's worship leaders. And let's turn and face the adults and say to them, repeat after me, may God bless you,
May God bless you
as you stay to hear God's word. And they'll say, all right, down you go. Have fun down there. Oh, yes, please take one.
I'll do one.
You can have two if